Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. My name is Kurt. Today we have a fantastic show prepared for you. We're going to have an old-fashioned showdown. Now what I mean by that, Trenton and I have selected 10 different whiskeys to try and see which particular one will make the best old-fashioned cocktail. Now, for the sake of time, we've split those 10 different whiskeys up into 5. So what you see on the bar top tonight is what we're going to mix up tonight for old fashions. I have a Maker's Mark out, Elijah Craig, Old Granddad Bottle and Bond, Old Forester 100, and a Wild Turkey 101 Rye. Now, just a little bit of a teaser. On the next video, the whiskeys we're going to have on the bar top to mix up is going to be Wild Turkey 101, Early Times Bottled and Bond, Old Granddad 114, Knob Creek 9, and Redemption High Rye Bourbon. And by the time we get done and conclude all this, we're going to figure out which particular whiskey makes the best old fashioned. All right, let's get started. What I want to do is mix at least one on camera. We don't have time to mix every one of these on camera, but I want to show you how I personally mix my quick and easy old fashioned. And we're going to do the same for the rest of them off camera. So let's get started on at least one of them for you here tonight. What I'm going to put, I've got bitters and so forth behind the bar top. So right here I have Angostura bitters. I'm going to put in 2 dashes. Angostura bitters. I'm going to follow that up with 2 dashes of orange bitters. All right, once I have that in the mixing glass, I'm going to pour in a 1/4 ounce of Demerara syrup. 1/4 ounce of Demerara syrup. Now, this particular Demerara syrup is another Lieber & Co. product. Buy it on Amazon. Quick and easy. It's a beautiful, beautiful syrup that you can use in these old fashions. And it's quick and easy. Tastes great. After that, I'm gonna go with Elijah Craig here, Trenton, to start out with. So I'm gonna pour in 2 full ounces of Elijah Craig. And that's it. That's all the ingredients that I use in a quick and easy old fashioned. I'm going to get some ice in this mixing glass and we're going to give it a spin. All right, once again, we want to stir long enough until the mixing glass feels nice and cold and frosty. All right, that should do it. I have a single rocks glass here with a beautiful clear rock of ice. We're going to give it a pour. Now normally, even on my quick and easy old fashions, I would express an orange peel, but for the sake of this video and get the pure taste of this old fashioned, we're going to skip that process. So that's the quick and easy old fashioned that we do down here at SLB. Give us a few minutes and we'll come right back and we'll have an old fashioned for each and every one of these whiskeys on the bar top. Okay, we're back. We have 5 old fashions made with equal portions, but with the 5 different whiskeys that you see on the bar top. So what we're going to do, I'm not going to be the only one tasting these. Trenton is going to taste it. And then we have Trenton's girlfriend here too, Michelle. She has an excellent palate for whiskey and bourbon, so that's going to be awesome to get her take. And then we have my lovely bride who's going to be tasting them as well, aren't you, babe? Aren't you?
Yeah.
Well,
I love whiskey.
I don't know what she'll say about it, but hopefully she'll give it a shot. I hope she will. Anyways, let's get started on the very first one, Maker's Mark Old Fashioned, and see what we have. That's pretty tasty. Maker's Mark, 90 proof, wheated bourbon. You don't get a lot of proof there. You don't get a lot of, there's not a lot of punch to it. But I think the flavors are fairly solid. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah.
so
I
excited.
gotta see this. Ooh, what do you got, babe? Babe, that's not fair. She did like the throwing up thing. That's ridiculous.
That's good.
Okay, very next one, Elijah Craig. See what we have with Elijah Craig, and then we'll get through these pretty quickly. Pretty decent as well. Solid. 94 proof. Again. It's just solid old fashioned, really. You're gonna taste them all? Oh, that's fantastic.
Which one do you like better so far? Oh, you like Maker's Mark better?
Ooh, hey, my wife likes Makers so far. All right, buddy.
I like the Elijah Craig so far.
Okay.
What do you
Michelle likes Elijah Craig so far.
Elijah Craig.
Moving on to, Trent likes Elijah Craig so far. Moving on to Old Granddad, Bottle and Bond. That's my favorite so far. It's pretty darn good. Old Granddad, I don't know what it is. It gives you, it's more of a higher rye mash bill. Maybe that makes a difference to it too. But boy, this got some really nice flavors in it, a real nice backbone to it too. Really enjoying that Old Granddad Bottle and Bond. While they're tasting that, boy, I wish Trent could spin that camera on my wife right now because she's almost waving the white flag on the Old Granddad Bottle and Bond. Yeah, she's a sissy.
Her eyes are red.
Anyways, what we did also with these, we try to stick with a certain price point because we all know, hey, if we pick a Russell's Reserve single barrel, it's gonna make an outstanding old fashioned. You know, it's almost not fair. So the bourbons that we did pick for this show and the next show are all generally around the same price point. Moving on real quickly to Old Forester 100. Oh, actually, that's pretty good too. That's pretty tasty, I think. You get that signature Old Forester vibe in there. You know, you got that. You just got that distinct flavor profile to the Old Forester. So I thought it was pretty decent.
Got more of a bite, I feel like.
Yeah, it does have a little bit more of a bite too.
I still like the Old Granddad.
All right, last but not least, Wild Turkey 101 Ryan. Of course, I couldn't have 5 of the same glasses, so I apologize. This one looks a little wonky. It's a different single. This is just a different single rocks glass, but same stuff. Now that's a completely different thing, Trent. Rye whiskey, that's a whole different flavor profile. That's a whole different old fashioned. Really, you get a lot of that rye flavor coming right up front on you. So a lot different. You like that one a little better? You like that rye flavors up on there? What do you think? What do you think? You know what?
That's probably my number 2.
Wow. I'm proud of you for actually tasting each and every one of them. As much as I know you do not like bourbon and whiskey, I'm proud of you for doing that. That's awesome. Okay. How do we want to do this? Trenton, I'll let you go first since you're the boss of the show. Give me your second place and your first place. We'll just do that.
Old Granddad Wild Turkey 101.
Which is first?
Oh, well, I gotta go with Old Granddad.
Okay. I think that's pretty good. Michelle?
Yeah, Old Granddad is my first.
Nice.
I'm stuck between Old Forester and Wild Turkey. I think I have to give it to Old Forester because I like the bite.
Yeah. I thought it was pretty good too. Awesome. Babe, I'm looking forward to your pick.
My pick is Maker's Mark,
Which would be?
number 1. And
Wow.
number 2 would be Wild Turkey.
Wow. I'm impressed.
Thank you.
I am impressed. All right. For me, I got to put my 2 cents in there. I've got to give Maker's Mark the second and Old Granddad number 1. That's just how I look at it. That's what I taste out of it. So I think by far, for the most part, other than my lovely bride, I think probably the Old Granddad was your worst. The way you were
It was.
the way you were reacting there behind the camera, which was pretty funny. But But anyways,
But my palate is totally different from the three of you.
trust me,
so-
it was just great seeing her taste all these because she absolutely does not have a whiskey or bourbon palate whatsoever. She likes fruity foo-foo cocktails, and that's really about it. So, for me, I think Maker's Mark made a really, really nice old fashioned. It was just it was solid, but it was it was basic but real solid. But the old granddad for me took it over the top. I think it was the high rye mash bill. Had a real nice backbone to it too, with some really great flavors. I loved it actually. To me, head and shoulders, old granddad bottle and bond was above the rest of them here tonight. Hey, stick around because the very next show we're going to do the next 5. Once we do that, we'll pick the winner of that, and then on another show we'll take the 2 winners head to head and see which one we like the best. Thanks for watching. That's all we have for you tonight. Certainly appreciate it. As always, we ask you to please drink responsibly. Hey, and if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. We have a lot of fun here. Come join us for the ride. Hey, I'll see you next time right down here with me at a good old basement bourbon bar. See you later.